You are watching a SCM Content Machine Next tutorial video. Today we're going to cover the use of custom titles in the article creator. I'm going to open a sample task first. Navigate to Content Options, scroll down under Custom Titles. We can choose to use Google only or both Google and custom titles. We click this button here, Edit Custom Titles, to provide our list of titles that we want to use in our article. So if you have a list of titles that you know you want to use, just paste them in here. Each title should be on its own line. If you don't have a list of titles, that's fine. We also ship with a titles generator tool. So the first box here is a list of generic custom titles in English. There's quite a few of them. You'll notice that they are in spin text format, and also they come with a percentage token percentage. This percentage token will get replaced with anything in this box here. So what that means is this first line, where it says percentage token, it's going to get replaced by another token, which is percentage keyword title. What that means is that when SCM Content Machine is creating your article and inserting a title, it's going to choose a generic title such as this one, which has this specific macro in it. And this specific macro means that whatever the current keyword is for your task, it's going to be inserted in here. So if we just exit out of that window and go to article settings, you'll see that our keyword for this article task is actually censure T. So what happens is when the title is about to be inserted, this keyword title is going to be replaced by censure T. By leaving it as a macro, it means you can use this particular generic titles for any new created task that you are editing. If, however, you have a very specific need for a particular keyword or another token that maybe you might need replaced in a different link building program, feel free to use this specific area here. Next, we click on the Generate Titles button, and what we see is indeed our token has been replaced by whatever's in this box, and it's been placed up here into the main window box. So once this has been done, we can actually close this, and it's going to be saved to our task. We can verify that by clicking on the Edit Custom Titles, and indeed it is there. It is there. All you need to do now is run or save your task, and you are ready to use your custom titles.